This is a 2019 Lexus RC350. We got it from IAA. It is a F Sport trim with the nice, beautiful red interior. And looks really nice and clean. It was listed with undercarriage damage. It was listed as run and drive, but when it just came here today, it would not want to move. So we pushed it in on a lift and examined the undercarriage damage and found out that the damage is not extensive, and I'll show you what we saw. But overall, it's in very good condition. We picked it up, delivered to us for $19,000. And overall, it's looking very good. Let's look under the vehicle. Okay, the vehicle's on the lift. As you can see, the damage kind of starts here. I can see some marks there, a little bit damage there, not much. Here's the main damage on the transmission pan, and it almost, we were very lucky because this would have been a disaster if this was cracked right there, which it's not. I think it's salvageable. We are planning to just go and replace the pan. There's damage to the exhaust, which we will repair, and there is some damage to the trim here. A little bit damage there, not much. And then you can see there's some more damage here to this section. The other side looks very good. It does have the NVIDIA exhaust, and it sounds really good. I was told that we checked it up. Exhaust alone is around $2,000 on it. We're about to get this pan ordered and repair the exhaust and take it for a test drive. I'll go and start the engine to see how it sounds. All right, let's fire it up. All right. Check engine light is on, and I'm thinking it's related to the transmission. We are about to scan it. It looks beautiful, very nice and clean. Let's give it some gas. Let's look at the exhaust. Sounds pretty good.